Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, this is a different situation with Marcia tonight, as this involves a pastor. Now, she came out calling out the pastor, as allegedly the pastor went on the other person's live, doing an interview about her. According to Marcia, the pastor said that she was faking her situation, basically, and that he had instructed her that she should go to a safe house, or what we call a shelter. And she's saying that she has her money, so there's no need for her to go to no shelter. She's comfortable where she is. She has her sisters in America who would open their doors wide for her to come in. So she has no problem where housing is concerned. But she's saying that the pastor came out and basically went against her. They never had any of that conversation, basically, but the pastor is drawing his own conclusion on the situation, and she's saying that he spoke about her eating in her car, which she said he's never brought that up to her. Neither have he brought up to her that he didn't like her curse words, cursing words and stuff like that. But you would have to go and listen to the video and see what Marcia has to say, because it's a lot. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, lovelies. And as always, have yourselves a wonderful day.
Interview here not sound too good. Because we are talking about is your opinion. Me never tell us I'm in a distress. And you are tell me say me in a place when me could have go in a shelter, and me have brothers and sisters foreign, and me no want no argument with you. That mean I no distress. You reach out to me and we're talking about Facebook and we're talking about the bullying who are going, and you say you're going to get in touch with them and you tell me who you bless, how you not bless, because me ask you all kind of question. Come here no idiot, come here to ask who bless me and where the money I come from. And me say if the money, if you're not of God and you're not of and if you're keeping company with them, I don't want it. Look for the amount of conversation, sir. This is not right. I don't know why you come and mix up yourself in this saga here. This is not right. God must have something in store for me coming. You come and you meet me in a comfortable setting, enjoy myself. I laugh with my friends them. See me people in the on social media, the other them can tell you. My sister Sita, Auntie Pat, the Angel. Me in a nice place and you recommend me to go in a shelter and me have my money for me, sir? When me use your money and me come out of Facebook and tell the people them say me tell us I'm going to use it and buy some quilt, and that's what me use it for. So if me need your money, me not use it and go pay bills. How could you do that to me? That the interview there, another normal interview, that the interview there is to bring me down. I mean, and that is your opinion when you are fond of me. Like say me distress and me not have nowhere to go and whatever it is. Me not understand. How could you do that? I know you're listening. I am not pleased. Because you and I have many conversations. What is this for me, Master God? God must have something with me. God must have something with me, sir. I'm gonna let the Facebook know. All those things that the pastor says, the way he put it, that's his opinion. Cause me never know say I talk to church sisters them if collect money to give to me. God up heaven, me never know that. I never know say my bad word bother you. Because you never tell me that, say my bad word bother me. Then how you gonna bother you? You told me that you enjoy my page, and in a corona, your sister introduced you, and you like my act, but you never told me. But you're going on this man's page and putting me down. Then how is it that you're referring me to shelter? Me look like a shelter girl to you, sir? If me didn't want something else from you, wouldn't I ask you for help? Every time you ask me if there is anything else, I said no. You always ask me like, do you eat? Of course me eat. Me get food right here. Me go buy me food. Me get free breakfast. And I said, no, everything is fine. You offer me other help and I don't reach to take it. You can't do that. Based on the interview, you set me up, man. And you form your opinion. It's like you're watching me. I told you that I left my stuff them. And I told you that over there have issues. But you are twist up it. Roach there everywhere in America. But when you tell me about church and 7 to give me money, to give me collect money, I never heard that until the voice note. Till when this interview here. Me never know say on a plan to give me more money. That is not right. Sir, I have my sister in Pennsylvania. She have a 2-bedroom house. Our son used to live here, son move out and get in one place. Empty room is there. Me and my sister Stephanie in North Carolina have 4-bedroom, one is empty. And me have a sister just bought a 3-bedroom house 6 months ago. And me have a sister 3-bedroom house and his son gone to college. And they have sofa in there. Oh yeah, ref for me say me to go to college. So that is your opinion that the interview was a setup, sir. That was a setup. Because them there's something the way you attack. It make it come like say, you say me all each in my car. You know like this me each in my car. I eat in my car by choice. I have been eating in my car for over 4 years now. That is something that I do. When you think that I eat in my car, I have nothing to go. So basically, you're walking around listening to the bloggers them on social media, and whatever you're listening, you think that is true. And then you form your opinion from that. And basically look like saying Dr. Love come and Dr. Eat and strategize what he's going to say. Because you told me that you never knew that you were on live. It's like a setup. But this is not setup. This man look material to get himself out of the problem. This is him is a damn criminal. A stalker. A obsession stalker in my life. How could you come and insult me like that? And we were just talking regular stuff. How could you look at me and say me and pretend? Those are his words. Those are his words. I never know that you are trying to collect something from people. From other church sister and them tell me cause bad word. You never told me that my bad word was an issue. We talk, you say it's very funny. Me very funny and stuff. So then there's something the way you are talking on. Panda the life there. You're putting me down and false news to me. And if God could have come down and kill me today, he and drown me in a bathtub and I swap myself. My false news to me. I reach out to you. Me ask you to write a letter and I'll know me not see letter. So if I'll know I ask you to write a letter and state it, say them there's something not true. I mean not see the letter yet. You have not replied to me. I mean advice more, me have letter. I'm not gonna release them, but sorry did me bad. Because you make it seem like say, what you put me in a shelter for? Me no need to go in a shelter, sir. Me say to you, say I'm here because I don't want my family, them too conservative. And me want to relax for this area. I don't want nobody to tell me what to do. My sister, them all tell me, Marcia, I don't want no live, I don't want no this or whatever. That's what I said to you. Do you know how many people behind closed doors with me? Me have an auntie that is very established. She was at my gala. Anything me want, she give it to me. Anything at all. Me have an auntie who is very established, like a mother to me. Anything at all, she will give it to me. Me have my family, me have a sister them. No man, you put me down. That's a setup. Me just people, I just get the chance to listen to it. I just get the chance to listen to it. You never tell me some bad word was an issue. We never discussed about the bad word. You never discussed that you were collecting money from other church members to give to me. Cause I never come out to ask for no collection to turn away. Me walk out, me was in partner with my cousin. And my cousin give me the partner about 3 to 4 days after me booking at my place. I mean, me not understand there's something right. Me think say one blessing there come. Remember you have text message, From the 6th of September, you reach out to me now. And you say you call your old number and can't get it. Then my situation just happened like a couple days ago. Then oh you talk like that, sir? Like say me come and ask you for something. That not right, man. That not sound right to me. This sound very crazy. Me not lie. Me not know how you get yourself out of this one. You owe me an apology. You have to come out and tell the people them or something and write a letter. Me never tell you. I never. Oh you introduce me to homeless shelter. And said, you know, love to see people on the street. Then oh me up on the street. And me have all my documentations. With my receipt and how much thousands of dollars. Do you know how much money I paid since I've been in this place? I spend over $2,000 already to make myself comfortable, sir. That is wrong. I use your money to buy the something for the lights and to buy the sheet, the quilt, the bed in the bag. And they're in the storage same way. So if I wanted your money to do anything, you have to take money and look out. That's not right, man. That is not right. That is not right. That is a setup. If you told me that one time you speak to this little monster, one time you say you went on his page and you heard that he was collecting money to give to charity in Jamaica, you donated $500. And you say you donated $1,200 to Erica. You said $500 for her, $700 towards the Christmas tree, and $200 to give to Ricky. Ricky, a Jamaica one boy, what she always a call, make sure you get your money from Erica. The pastor man send $200 for you. I mean, I see Erica do no treats. Because I question you. Me have evidence to question you. You know, say Marcia and a ramp when it comes to certain things, I mean, I trust people. But that the interview there, no right, you put me down. And you form your opinion. That's a setup. That's a setup, sir. That's a rotted setup. You set me up. You set me up. Why would you set me up to humiliate me like that? How could you set me up to humiliate me like that? Me not lying. How do you know some Marcia and a lie like that? That is a setup. No man, that's a setup. Because I mean, know comes all of a sudden, him just end up calling you like that. And you tell me we're in class. Then oh, you have so much time to go answer and to do interview. No, something not right. Just set me up. It won't plan it because he want to distract himself from the criminal record that him have. You set me up. But it's alright. You look like God have something special to me. I said the devil hate me, but he now get my soul. Me tell you to stay away from that man. I send you, me say stay away from him. He's the devil, and I said stay away from him. He's setting you up he's setting you up, and he's recording you. I saw me talk to you. Me have everything. I said stay away. I said if you are in any association with that man, I don't want you to pray for me, and I don't want anything from you. Didn't I tell you that, sir? Didn't I tell you that before I took your money? I said, are you and this man in it? You said no. One time you talked to him. And you and I was on the phone one night to talk. After him tell the people them say, him a come back with evidence. And while you and I was on the phone, him not tap ring down your phone. Him said, see him there calling. Me say, why is he calling? Say, I don't know. Me say, sir, he's calling you to get evidence from you. Because him see you under the page when you say you're ordering 2 shirts. Him scalp out my page. That's how him find you. And you tell me say only talk to him 2 times. Then you put me down. No, sir. Me have my pride. Me have my pride on it. All of my friends them know which part me there. And if I need anything, all me have to pack up my truck and go to my sister them. No man, that was a setup to humiliate me. That the blood of Jesus, that ain't gonna work. That is not going to work, sir. Me don't know something wrong. Something wrong. And then you talk about me like that. I mean, everybody talk about, and you're making it seem like that place was condemned. If you condemn, then all people live over there, said we. My cousins still live over there. People still live over there. I just didn't like the place. And them have them little issues. And me tell us that's what I did. And me said me going to stay here for a month. And I'm going to, if me not get me right place by then, I am going to move. I'm going to go about my business until the winter over and come back. Go on my sister until the winter over and come back. Sir, you can't do that. Oh yeah, ref a shelter. But Jesus Christ Almighty God. No, this is not right. That's a setup. I never know so you talk about me. I never knew. That's all. As I said, I didn't want to hear the interview. But while I wasn't taking my little nice bubble bath, me say, let me go up on YouTube to go play it. Me no look for the song in the Potter's house. And then me see the guy when he look at Dr. GT him. Pastor interview, talk dash out curly business. So me say, alright then, while me relaxing, let me listen to it. Then sir, so why you form them opinions? So you really believe, say, me sit down in my vehicle and eat food. Me not have nowhere to go near Mickle. I mean left Woodland Village with a 10-seater table. When every December, every Christmas and Thanksgiving, me set up me nice table with a whole heap of food. And me sit down in my car out and do a eat. No. No. No, Pastor, you did me wrong. You have to go listen to the interview. No. So what happened to them prayer where you call and pray for me and one night? And you tell me some things. And when you tell me something, me say to you, say, as somebody tell them something there? As somebody tell them something when you're praying? You all call some name. Call me ex-husband people, name them and last name. And I said, but somebody, and you telling me where you tell me, say. And I said, but them the people there? You tell me who time you up from who not time you up. And now you come and putting me down like that? No, Pastor, no. Pastor, me have my money for stay, which part me stay. Me not going to no shelter. Me no need to go in the shelter. Me have my brothers and sisters them. Me say me want to cry, me can't even cry the way me harden. This is a setup. How could you go and do an interview like that about me? How could you form an opinion and telling the people them say I'm pretending? How am I pretending? And I've been in this place from a left Woodland Village. Eh? Look, me in this nice place. I mean, Pastor, do you know that I have a travel agent's license? Huh? Do you know that I have a travel agency license?